Content marketing and its benefits. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, and, ultimately, to drive profitable customer action. The goal of content marketing is to create a relationship with your audience by providing them with information that is helpful, interesting, and engaging. This can include blog posts, videos, social media content, ebooks, white papers, and more. Here are some benefits of content marketing. Increased brand awareness. Content marketing can help you reach a larger audience and raise awareness about your brand. Improved search engine rankings. Creating high-quality content can help you rank higher in search engine results pages, which can lead to more organic traffic to your website. Increased engagement. By providing your audience with valuable content, you can increase engagement and build a stronger relationship with your customers. Improved customer loyalty. Content marketing can help you build trust with your audience and establish your brand as a thought leader in your industry, which can lead to increased customer loyalty. Increased conversions. By providing valuable information to your audience, you can help them make informed decisions about your products or services, which can lead to increased conversions. Overall, content marketing is a powerful tool for building your brand, increasing your online presence, and driving business results.